Hello guys! So we're here in City of Naga to visit famous attraction and
historical site!
So first na to is Saint Francis Assisi here! Yeah!
Welcome to our tradition shrine of Saint Francis of Assisi!
Naga was established by three Spanish settled name after the narrative. Originally part of San Nicolas Parish during Spanish colonial times. Declared a separate Spanish on June 12, 1829. Church constructed occurred between 1839 to 1850. Designed by Bishop Santo Gomez Mariano and overseen by Father Simon Aguri. Elevated to Archdiocese Shrine status on October 3, 2007.
The architectural features the contemporary bell tower, 5-story pyramid with open arches with white metal roof, 4 gates with pilaster supporting an originated pediment declared with chevron stars and religional imaginary relief about entrance depicting the first Eucharist celebration in Cebu 1521 with Latin in scripture Tradition Evangelium Omi Scripturae with red roof with either side of facade. And guys, did you know not din nakabakuan si Saint Assisi? Natin kami siya.
Padung naman ta dito no. Awa tanawa sa kilid natin makitaan playground. Mao ni. Diba? Mao ni mingon ta na padung na ta dito sa Baywalk or boardwalk. Na, see? Makita na tong mga park diha.
Hangin kay diri.
So karon hangin kaayo daw bisag init kaayo dili nimo ma-feel ang kainit kay super hangin.
Hangin kayo. So usapan yung giwat. Ali na.
Yeah.
Wow.
So mo ni sila ang City Hall sa Naga.
Karon guys, nanata dire sa boardwalk. So, yagi man mi og pasilong, wala mi kadto kay mag-apply pa man sila 4 PM. And then
Unfortunately, dili mi kasod sa church kay tungod naay nagkasal. So karon na ato sa boardwalk. Yay!
Padong na pud mi sa tulapit ba?
Sa
Guanzon!
Guanzon!
Let's
Resort.
go!
Mga ligo tay guman. Okay.
Ang among experience diri guys no, katong wala mi dito sa Baywalk, nakaingon ko. Init pa man jud, buntag pagudon.
Bogit utong much better siya if kana ang gabi or mga hapon.
Yes, kay
Okay, ma-feel gyud nimo ang hangin, nanindot. Pwede nimo dalo nimo ang mga family, uyab,
If na kay uyab,
daghang mga street food diha sa kilid-kilid na pero karon wala pa man kuan nila kay init pa kaayo. Sa mga
hapon na siya.
4 or 5 na daghan gid.
yes.
May ibog yung ka. Makapalit ka kahat.
Hi guys, karon ato na may bagong sa Guanzon. Nakita na nato dito sa Atbang na Guanzon na. Yay! Let's go! Hi guys! So, kapit na dahil sa ato dito. So guys, naadita diri sa Guanzon, and then kung ganahan ng kamori, first lang atong buhaton kay ani ka diri dapit sa iyahang kuan, magpa-register ka and natay online booking. Wala tay online booking diha, so dapat ani jud ta diri. And then ang entrance fee na to, kung sa beach ka, nasa mga 35 pesos. Pero ang kanang 35 pesos mo dapat nanakay kuanan niya. Nanakay dapat
kauban sa
kauban anak niya or nanakay
cottage.
balag cottage anak niya para maka 35 ra ka na kay kung wala mang di mo gud siya 35 100 magud siya per head. And karon anito dire sa makita mo sa kulikot kay
Balik lagi na
diri ang Guanzon Beach dito sa kilid kay naa dito ang blue pool ang gikuha which is kay ang beach dagat. Mao na mo so karon musud na ta ug atong makita diri kilid. See? Mo nang mga swimming pool, ay mga slides, pwede ka diha magkuan. Diha, ang drinks na. And then, ano na to? Yeah? Guanzon Beach.
Guanzon Beach Resort is specifically located at Langtad, Naga, Cebu. Is one of the best beach resorts in Cebu. They offer a unique, inspiring beach experience you could imagine. They also offer great amenities, services with very affordable prices. If you're looking for the venue for parties, birthday, anniversary, reunions, corporate and gatherings, barkada trips, and so on, I recommend Guanzon Beach. Guanzon Beach Resort, located in Naga City, Cebu, is known for its beautiful coastal scenery and affordable accommodation, making it a popular destination for relaxation and camping. The resort has become a notable spot for both locals and tourists, reflecting the charm of Cebu's beach culture.
Lechon manok basically is the roast chicken of the Philippines, but it's quite unique as it's flavored differently and cooked in a charcoal spit. But any roast, it is tough, but the stuffing on lechon manok is not to be consumed but rather give a distinct flavor and aroma to the chicken. Budbud, kabog, or budbud is the sister of puto maya. They were cooked on a similar process. The only difference is budbud is sweeter than the puto maya, and it is fully wrapped in a banana leaf. This is best served with hot chocolate during merienda or breakfast.